Watch this carefully. One command and my entire downloads folder organizes itself. No dragging files, no renaming, no manual sorting. This is what happens when you stop managing files and start building systems. Today, we build this from scratch. Hey everyone, welcome to BinaryBros Tech. We share Python tips that make you faster, not just clever. No theory dumps, only things you can use today. Let's jump straight into tip 1. Every developer has this problem. You download PDFs, screenshots, zip files, documents, videos, and they all pile up in one place. Now multiply that by 3 months, 6 months, 2 years. Your productivity drops, not because you can't code, but because you never automated the boring stuff. And if something repeats, it should be automated. Systems beat willpower. We're not writing a script, we're building a mini file management system. Here's the flow. Step 1, scan the downloads directory. Step 2, read each file extension. Step 3, match it to a category. Step 4, move it automatically. That's it. Simple rules. Executed consistently. That's automation. We use OS to read files, shutil to move files. 2 tools. That's all we need. Tell Python where the chaos lives. This is the root of the system. This is the brain. We define categories, then define which extensions belong to each. Now the system can make decisions. We loop through every file in downloads. Nothing gets ignored. For each file, check its extension. Match it to a category. Move it to the correct folder. That's it. No AI, no complex libraries, just clean logic. And there it is. Organized. Clean. Repeatable. Now imagine extending this. Auto-delete duplicates. Auto-rename files. Keep logs. Schedule it to run every 5 minutes. You're not organizing files anymore. You're building infrastructure. Now here's the real question. Do you want me to turn this into a background watcher, so it runs automatically every single time you download a file? No manual execution. No running scripts. Fully automated. If you want that build, comment background watcher below. If enough of you want it, that's the next system we build. We don't just write scripts here, we build systems. See you in the next one. Subscribe to BinaryBros Tech for powerful Python systems, automation builds, and AI insights.